Hello sugar plums, welcome back to my channel guys. Today's video is gonna be video review, and this time I'm gonna be reviewing a company called Viza or Viza. I'm not sure how you pronounce the name, if it's a Viza or Viza, but either way I'm gonna be reviewing their interference powder and mica powder as well. Now for today's video I have 8 product total. I have 2 mica powder and 6 interference color, but unfortunately one of the interference color was supposed to be a diamond blue, but I have received 2 of the same color, which is diamond green. So 2 of them is gonna be exactly the same product. So but I'm still gonna try to see when I was doing the review to see, I didn't know if it was like the exact same. I was like, maybe there was like some kind of difference in between them. So I did review both of them, but both of them end up to be the same. Now the mica powder, this is their mica powder. The mica powder that I received from them, you can see it's not your typical mica powder. This one is the color Camellia, and it's such a beautiful color. And the difference in the mica powder that I realized, that I see that based on the other mica powder that I used before on my channel, their mica powder have like almost like bits of glitter in them, and it's so beautiful. Now if you look at this mica powder, the color the Camellia mica powder, it have like gold in it. You have like almost like gold sheaf in it. It is such a beautiful color. It's by far my favorite product that I have received from them, that I'm reviewing right now. It is such a beautiful product. Now you can see all the box come with a little scooper on them, and they all 60 ml of in the jar. So you receive quite a lot of product. The product, it's a lot of product that you receive for the price range that you paying for the product. Now this is a color crystal silver white, and this color is absolutely beautiful. First, when I first removed the top part, I was like, why is it this color? But then I realized that the top part of the little white thing came off, so it's not really that color. But this color do remind me of the unicorn crushed crystal that I have. If you've been on my channel before, you know that I absolutely love that product, and this product actually reminds me of the same thing. The only thing is that in this product you have like the white and the silver showing, while in the unicorn crushed crystal you only have like a very icy white in it. So I guess hence the name, crystal silver white. Now this is the 2 mica powder. I only received 2 mica powder from them that I'm gonna be using. Now we're gonna move on to the interference colors. Now the interference colors, they are so beautiful. Now I did went in before I even opened the box, and I was trying to see what kind of color shift I have, so I had to put the name on the box itself. But I'm like you can see, I'm opening them right now with you. This is the color pearl white, and it's such a beautiful color. You can see it's very smooth when you put it in your hand, and the product mix really well as well in a resin, guys. And this pearl white, it's almost feel like it's like crushed pearl. It's a beautiful, have like a very beautiful sheen to it. Now this is definitely my favorite one in the interference color. This is the diamond gold. Unfortunately, in like transit, it kind of spilled a little bit. I don't know how, don't ask me why, because the jar was still sealed, but it have like a lot of spillage on it. But you can see the sheath on it. The gold, it's absolutely gorgeous. You have like a gold sheath, and then certain way you move it, you have like purple showing. It absolutely insane. So in this color, like I say, it's a shame, but the jar, it's like almost like half full, which is, I'm like, why this color? And then we have the color purple. This is diamond purple, and this is one of the interference color, and I'm showing you how full the jar is compared to the diamond gold. Again, I'm like kind of removing the little thing, and I'm gonna be showing you what they look like. And this is what this one look like. It's a very beautiful. And I'm sorry, this one is the diamond green, not diamond purple. Yeah, I received 2 of the same product for the diamond green, guys. Both of them are the same. I didn't know it was the same, and I kind of open both of them, but if I knew they were like the same, I would have put it away to do like a giveaway for this one. But unfortunately, I already removed the seal on top of it, so it's not fit for, you know, mailing, so which is a shame. Now this one is the interference purple. Now I did receive 2 purple from them, but they are not the same color though, because like I have the interference purple, and then this one is a very, very smooth color. Like when you push it in your hand, it's very smooth, like, you know, it's a powder. And the other one that I received is this one, this interference purple. You can see in the jar it's completely white, which is an interference powder color, but it have like this, like almost like this glitter bit on it, kind of remind me of the mica powder that I received from them. I'm gonna be showing you when I put the mica powder close to this one. You'll see it's like the same consistency with the glitter bits on it. And then when I use the other interference purple, it's with which is a very smooth powder, it's like completely different for this one, but both of them are so beautiful. And I absolutely love the one with the glitter on it, because it gives you like almost like crystal vibe, but it's in interference color. I love this color really very much, guys. And the last one I'm gonna be showing you, it's again, I have this one, which is just like the same green that I received, so it's both green. So technically I only have two of the same interference color, which is the purple one, and also have 2 of the green, which is the same interference color, same exact one. It's not different at all. So for testing those colors, I wanted to do a test, and what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be using both in epoxy. I'm gonna mix a little bit in directly in the resin, and I'm gonna be using the brush method to kind of brush it you know, on the mold directly and put clear resin on it, because you know, when you use interference color, it's just gonna be depend on how you use it and what you're using it for. The color is gonna be completely different. So I wanted to show you both of the options and what they look like, both if you use a brush to kind of brush it in the mold that you're gonna be using, or if you want to mix it directly in the resin. And I'm going to be showing you what those colors look like. Now I'm using this mold specifically because this mold is half and half. It's like the same thing but half and half. So I'm going to be using 1/2 in the resin, and the other half I'm just gonna use a brush to kind of brush the product directly in the mold, and then use clear epoxy. Now in my personal opinion, if you use interference color and if you brush, you know, the product directly on the mold, the color will pop more if you use like a darker color as the background. But because I'm using the interference colors and the mica powder directly in clear resin, I wanted to just keep it simple and do clear resin after I brush the product on the mold as well, just to kind of show you the difference without, you know, changing the color of the background itself. So first I'm just gonna go ahead with the 4 colors. I'm just gonna mix them in the resin, and I'm gonna put it in, you know, in half of the mold. This is the color diamond gold for the interference color, and you can clearly see the gold pop out, and this is the diamond green. And I'm also gonna be doing this is the crystal silver white, and I'm also gonna be doing the pearl white in the interference color. And then I'm gonna go ahead and proceed to the other 4 color, which is gonna be the color camellia in the mica powder. I'm gonna be doing the diamond purple, both of them. They are both different, you know, purple, and then both of the green one as well. Now you can see I'm using the same 4 color that I did just before, the diamond gold, the mica silver crushed crystal, and the silver the crystal silver white, and the pearl white, as well as the interference diamond green, to kind of brush them directly in the mold, you know, opposite direction of the same one that I just put the mix in the resin. And I'm just gonna pour clear resin on top of them that I just mixed, and that I just pour and brush into the mold itself. And I'm gonna go ahead and proceed to do the other colors the same way. I'm just gonna brush them first, and then I'm gonna mix more resin, and then we're gonna mix that same 4 colors into the resin and then put them down. Now, because you know guys, resin is very expensive and I don't like wasting resin, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take whatever little bit of resin I have left. I'm just gonna go ahead and put them in a mold and mix something with them, and I'm just gonna kind of mix some of the color together, because sometimes you want to do something and you have to mix some of the colors in together. So I'm just gonna be showing you, if you mix some of the color together, what it will look like. I believe that I use a lot of the camellia color because I had quite a lot bit left, and I love this color. This color is such a beautiful color. I love the shift of gold that you have when you move it in a certain way. It's absolutely gorgeous, guys. Those colors are very, very beautiful, and you have a lot in the jar. 60 ml of resin of product in the jar, and the jars are pretty full. If you're lucky and like me, you don't have any spillage in transit, you'll have received a full jar, and a little bit goes a long way with this color. That's what I realized. So you barely need to use any product at all. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep mixing my colors and put them down, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and let the whole thing sit down for 24 hours or overnight, and then I'm just gonna come back and I'm gonna be showing you the difference between if you mix them in resin or if you brush them directly in the mold, guys. Absolutely night and day, completely different look with the same product, exact same resin and product that you'll be using. It's just depend on how you use it, and you'll have like a complete different look, guys. So I am so happy that I received this product. They are very, very, very nice product, and amazing payoff in the colors, guys. Thank you so much for being here. If you're here on my channel for the first time, I really appreciate you stopping by, and I will really appreciate it even more if you take the time to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your friend and family, and join your channel or channel membership. And if you're a new subscriber and you've been here with me for the longest time, thank you so much for being here, and thank you for stopping by. I love you guys so much, and thank you again for being here. Now this is the next day. Everything is completely cured. Now it's time to pop them out, and I'm gonna be showing you side by side what they look like. And I have, first I'm gonna go with the interference gold. You can see the first one on the right is gonna be the one that I brushed on. This one I'm showing right now is the one that I mixed in the resin. You can see it's a very like whitish in color, but you can still see the gold shift in it. Again, it's just gonna be depending on what you're using for the look you're going for. And this one is the one that you brush in directly into the mold. Now in my opinion, I think interference color look better if you use a brush and brush them directly on the mold that you're using it, because you have more shift in the color. And if you have like a black background or darker background, that color will pop more. Now in my opinion, like I say, it's in my opinion, I think the one that I use the brush to brush it directly on the mold is better looking for me. But again, like I say, it's just gonna be depending on what you using the product for and the look you're going for. And I'm just gonna go ahead and keep popping them out and showing you the difference between the one that is mixed in the resin and the one that is brush in the mold. Now this is the interference green. It's basically this one is the one that I mix, and the other one is the one that I brush. Now what I realized is that when you brush the interference color directly in the mold, you have like almost like this almost like a foil look on it. It's a very foil like. It's beautiful. You have like a very like shiny type of surface, while the other one give you more like a mica powder type of color when you look at it, because you have the white and then you have the shift of whatever color the interference color is. So you have like the shininess from the mica powder, almost like glitter like, and then you have the shift in it. And the other one, when you look at it, it's almost like a foily look. And I got the same thing with the mica powder. This is the crystal silver white. You can see the one on the white again, on the right again, is the one that I brushed, while the other one one on the left is the one that I mix. You can see you have more of the glitter pop in the one that is mixed, while on the one that is brush, you have a more like a foily look on it, and it's still absolutely gorgeous. Both of them look absolutely stunning. For this one, again, for the mica powders, I really don't have a preference. It's just gonna depend on the look you're going for. The mica powders actually look absolutely stunning. Either you brush it or you mix it. Now this color, guys, absolutely love this color. I love this color, and you can see both of them look completely different. It's if you brush it, you have a more like clear color, but you have that foily look again, and then you have the gold pop more in the one that you brush, while the one that you mix in the resin, the color is more vibrant. You still have the gold pop in it, but it's not as showing more than it is in the one that I'm showing right now. You can see the gold foil that is in that color, and when the one that is mixed, you can see it's almost like glitter like while the one that you brush is almost like foil like. I don't know how to explain it. Those colors like are very, very, very nice, very, very nice, and they were super easy to mix in the resin or to brush in. You have this beautiful color. I love the formula for each one of the products, guys. Again, I'm gonna leave their link for their store on Amazon for you guys. All you have to do is click on their link, and then it will bring you to all the products that they have on their link. You can just go ahead and check the different products they have. They have a lot more different products than what I'm showing you right now, so I'll leave the link for you. Make sure you check the description box below. All you have to do is click on the link and then go to Amazon, and then you can search your heart content and then check their product out. It's very, very, very affordable and super beautiful, guys. Again, I love the pearl white right there, and in my opinion, I love the pearl white better in the one that I kind of brush. It gives you more that pearly look better than the other one that if you mix, which is give you again the same kind of glitter bits in it. I love both of them. They are absolutely gorgeous, guys. Again, guys, thank you so much for being here. I love you so very much. Make sure you keep finish watching the video for all the look that I'm gonna be showing you. And also, guys, thank you so much for being here. And again, if you're new to my channel, you haven't subscribed, please do me a favor and go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And thank you for all the new members that join our channel. I'm gonna put your name right there for a shout out for you. Thank you so much for being here, and thank you for being part of being a membership on my channel. I hope you guys sign up and you become more of a little happy family. I'll see you soon, guys, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. And thank you so much for all of you guys who've been like leaving comment and contacting me about all the different videos that I make. Thank you so much for being here, and thank you so much for your time. I love you so much, guys. I'll see you on the next video, but you know the drill. Until then, be blessed and stay blessed. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.